Good evening, students. Today, the exercise 2.2 of linear equation we will discuss. Okay. So, the first one is if you subtract one by two from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? What is the number? So this is will be the question. Okay. So it is given that if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. You get 1 by 8. It means the equation contain right hand side, that is 1 by 8. Okay. We have to find the left hand side of the equation. So if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, so let the number is, what is the question? What is the number? So we have to take that the number is, let the number becomes x. Okay. So if the number is x, then if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, so 1 by 2 is subtracted from this number according to the question. So let the number is x. So it is given that if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, so if the number is x, then you subtract 1 by 2 from this number and multiply the result. Result means this is the result after the subtraction, and multiply the result by 1 by 2, that is multiplied with 1 by 2. So x minus 1 by 2 is multiplied with 1 by 2. This is the final equation variable. Okay. This is equal to, according to the question, this is equal to 1 upon 8. You get 1 by 8. So this is the linear equation. Then we have to solve this equation. Okay. So x minus of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is here multiplied. So when it is transposed into the right hand side, it is divided, that is 1 by 8 is divided by 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8 is multiplied with 2, that is 1 by 4. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. My 1 by 2 is subtracted here, so when it is transposed into the right hand side, it is added, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So LCM is 4, 1 plus 2, that is 3 upon 4. So the value of x is 3 upon 4, and this is the answer. Because this is the number. Question is what is the number? So this is the number, that is 3 upon 4. Okay. The next question is question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Okay. It is the application of linear equation. The fourth application of linear equation. Okay. Geometrical application. So we have perimeter formula is equal to 2 is multiplied with length and breadth. Okay. And the perimeter given is 154 meter. But the next sentence is its length is 2 meter more than twice its depth. Let breadth is equal to b, that's small b. Okay. So length is equal to length let is equal to L. Okay, L, that is equal to how much? Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. See, twice its breadth. If the breadth is B, then it's twice is 2B. Yes or no? Then 2 more than twice its breadth. So 2 more than, that is, we can add 2. So length is equal to 2B plus 2. Breadth is B and length is 2B plus 2. So according to the question, we have P is equal to 2L plus B. Okay, that is equal to 154 is equal to 2L. What is the value of L in terms of B? 2B plus 2 plus B. So 154 is equal to 2 is multiplied with 3B plus 2. Okay, that is 6B and 4 by the distributive property. 2 is multiplied with 3B and 2 is multiplied with 2, that is 4. 6B plus 4. So 6B plus 4 is equal to 154. Then 4 is added. When it is transposed in the right hand side, it can be subtracted. That is 154 minus 4. Okay, so that is 150. Okay, so B is equal to 150 upon 6, that is 25. Okay, 6 is multiplied. When I remove 6 from the 6B, I can divide 6, or simply 6 is multiplied. When it is transposed into the right hand side, it is divided. So B is equal to 25. So what? So B, the value of B is 25. What is B? That is the breadth. And what about the length? Length is equal to 2L plus, sorry, 2B plus 2. Okay, 2 is multiplied with 25 plus 2, that is 52. Okay, so length is equal to 25 meter, length equal to 52 meter, and breadth equal to 25 meter. Okay, this is the answer. The next problem is question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4, 2 upon 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal. Okay, any two sides are equal. This is the isosceles triangle, and the other is base. These are the two equal sides and this is the base. Okay, this length is given, that is 4 by 3 centimeter. Okay, and the perimeter of the triangle is given. Perimeter means AB plus BC plus CA, that is the perimeter of the triangle. This is given 4 of 2 by 15 centimeter. Okay, question is what is the length of either remaining? That is we have to find out the length of AB and the length of AC. Okay, so let the length of equal sides AB is equal to AC equal to L centimeter. This is also L, this is also L. Okay, and the base is given, this is equal. Okay, so the perimeter, that is P is equal to how much? that is AB plus BC plus CA. This is the perimeter of the triangle. Okay. So we have AB equal to L plus BC equal to L plus CA. Sorry, BC is given, C is not given. BC is equal to 4 upon 3 and CA is equal to L. That is, I can write 2L plus 4 by 3. Okay. It is the perimeter, but it is equal to how much? Perimeter equal to how much? 4 of 2 upon 15, that is 62 upon 15. This is the perimeter. This is also the perimeter. Okay. So this must be equal to this. Here perimeter is in the terms of variable or algebraic expression 12 plus 4 by 3, and it is given the perimeter 62 upon 15 centimeters. So this must be equal. Okay. So this is our linear equation. This is our linear equation. So 2L plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 62 upon 15. This is our required linear equation. Then we can solve. So 12 is remaining, 4 by 3 is added. So when it is transposed into the right hand side, that is subtracted. Minus 4 upon 3, that's equal to LCM is 15. 62 minus 20, that is 42 upon 15. Okay. So 2 is multiplied. So when it is transposed into the right hand side, it is divided. So 42 upon 15 is multiplied with 1 upon 2. Okay. So 42 upon 30, that is 6 7s are 42, 6 5s are 30. So the value of length, that is L. What is the length of either of remaining equal side? That is L, equal to AB is equal to AC is equal to 7 upon 5 centimeter. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. So next problem is question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. We have to find the two numbers. Okay. So it is given that sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, let one number is y. Okay. So the other number is one exceeds the other by 15. Okay. So that is y minus 15. Because one exceeds other. This is y. This is the another number. One exceeds other by 15. That's y plus 15 equal to the other number. Okay. So 1 exceeds the other by 15. That is, the other number is equal to y plus 15. Okay. So further addition, sum of two numbers, that is y plus 15 is equal to 95. It is given according to the question. Y plus 15 is 95. Sum of two numbers is 95. That is 2y is equal to 95 subtracted 15, because 15 is added, is changed the side and is subtracted. That is 2y is equal to 80. So y is equal to 80 upon 2, that is 40. if y is equal to 40, the other number is y plus 15, that is 14 plus 15, that is 55. Okay, so one number is 40 and the other number is 55. This is the answer. So the next problem is question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Okay. So we have the ratio of numbers 5:3. So I take one number is 5x and the another number is 3x because the ratio is 5:3. But they differ by 18. The difference is positive. So the lower number must be subtracted from the higher number to give the 18, because 18 is positive. If it is given that is differ by minus 18, then you can subtract in this way. That is okay. So since it is given they differ by 18, so I can take 5x is greater than 3x. This is I can take this because 5x is greater than 3x, so I can take this. Okay, so five x minus 3x equal to 18. That implies 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x, that is 18. So I remove 2 from 2x, that is I can divide 2 on both sides, that is x equal to 9. X equal to 9. What about the numbers? The first number is 5x, that is 5 multiplied with 9 to give 45. And the second number is 3x. 3 is multiplied with 9 to give 27. So the two numbers are 45 and 27. Okay. Answer. In next video we will see the remaining 15 problems. Okay, 10 problems. Thank you.